40 slips of paper numbered 1 to 40 are placed in a hat. Alice and Bob each draw one number from the hat without replacement, keeping their numbers hidden from each other. Alice says, "I can't tell who has the larger number." Then Bob says, "I know who has the larger number." Alice says, "You do? Is your number prime?" Bob replies, "Yes." Alice says, "In that case, if I multiply your number by 100 and add my number, the result is a perfect square. What is the sum of the two numbers drawn from the hat?" So Alice would be able to say with confidence who has the largest number if she drew a 1 or a 40. Since Bob knows Alice didn't draw a 1 or a 40, since she's not confident who has the largest number, he's only able to say with confidence who has the largest number if he drew a 2 or a 39. Since Bob drew a prime, we know that he drew a 2 because 2 is prime and 39 isn't. So we'll represent Bob's number by he drew a 2. We'll call A for Alice's number. So we know then that the following equation can represent the situation. So B times 100 plus A is equal to a perfect square. So since B is equal to 2, 2 times 100 plus A equals a perfect square. So 200 plus A equals a perfect square. So possibilities for x squared. We'll think about this. So possibilities for x squared, I'm just thinking of numbers that will be more than 200. So we'll first think about numbers that are around 200. So if we consider x squared, these are x squared possibilities. Let's say x squared is 14 squared. That is 196. That implies then, if x squared is 196, that implies that A has to be equal to -4, which isn't possible because the slips are numbered 1 to 40. So that's out. Squared maybe could be 15 squared, which is 225. That implies that A have to be 25, and that's within reason. Then when we think about 16 squared, that's 256. That implies that A would have to be 56, but that's out of the range of 1 to 40, so it wouldn't be that. So the only possibility for A is 25. So we found that A is 25 and B is 2. Therefore, we want the sum of the two numbers drawn from the hat. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 25 plus 2, which is 27. So the answer is choice A.